cast your minds back, pun intended, to when we started doing some videos on wax carving. Now, we did a total of 4 videos on wax carving, the first being an introduction to wax carving and making a really simple pendant. This was the finished wax, and then we moved on to making a ring. Now, obviously with a ring, you have to size it and you have to kind of get it quite even all the way around the sides. And Jordan showed us how to do this and how to file it and make it really smooth. This wax was the finished shape for that ring. Next up was wax carving from home. Now, this was a bit of an experiment to see if you could shape and carve wax just using household items. This was actually super fun and I really enjoyed this process. Lastly, we went super high tech, and this is milling wax on a magic engraver. Essentially, you make the pattern using the software and then the machine engraves the wax. This is gold wax, so it's really good for milling. Now, whilst we could have stopped there, I really wanted to get these cast, so they went to the casting house and each wax was cast in sterling silver. And they all successfully cast. This is how they looked when they came out. Those little blobs on the side are where the sprue is attached, and that is so the silver can kind of get into that space where the wax was. Sawing off the sprue, giving each piece a little file and a polish, plus adding some oxidization to bring out all of the detail. These are how these 4 pieces turned out. What do you think?